So right here is a strobe light that attaches to your drone or other items if you choose to use it in that way. And it's got a very simple operation. You just hold this button on the top here and then it turns it on. And then you press the button and it cycles through the different modes. So we have red flashing lights and green flashing lights. And usually on a drone, your front two limbs of the drone will have green flashing lights and the back two limbs will have red flashing lights. And that's how you can tell whether it's the front of the drone or the back of the drone that you're looking at, and that helps you with your navigation. But you know, if you've got other uses for this and having other things you want to do with it, then you can use that for that too. So all the different modes, and then you've got the solid mode, so we've gone through them all now. And the solid mode could be really useful if you want to do long exposures with your drone and you want to attach this light and then do a long exposure with the camera on the ground as you fly your drone in a circle or something and create really cool pictures. I'll put some up now so you can see. And this version actually features a bigger case. There is a version which comes without the case. And obviously that means it has all the same features. It's essentially the same item, except it takes up more space. So this one's lighter, this one's heavier, but this has this protective case which is going to protect it better from moisture in the environment. And also it has these little hooks so that you can use the included bands. It comes with two, and then if you look, you can stretch that round to the other side there, and imagine the limb of your drone is going through that part. So you would wrap it around the limb of your drone, and then it's attached on there, ready to go. So it makes it a really simple product to use. It's got your USB-C port here at the back, so you can charge it. And if you want to know how much battery it's got, then, so once you turn it off, you get these blue flashing lights. And if they flash fast, it means that the charge is low, you need to charge it quickly. If they're slow flashes, then it means that it's got medium power. And if it's just a constant blue light, then you know it's fully charged and you're good to go. So all in all, a really excellent package for people that need these kind of strobe lights on their drone, but don't stare at it because it's very bright. So if you really want to be seen, you want your drone to be seen from a far distance because maybe your laws really dictate that you have to be able to see your drone at all times, then this can be of real assistance so you can see exactly where your drone is and you can follow all the laws that apply to the country you're in. Of course, it also comes with the USB cable, and you get a set of these Velcros. So if you don't want to use the elastic band to attach it to whatever you're attaching it to, for example, you're attaching it to the body of the drone, then you could just set up these Velcro packs. They come ready to go. You just cut off the section you need. They're already divided into 5 different sections. You can peel back the plastic and then stick that part onto the actual strobe and then one onto the location where you want it to be. And then it's a very simple operation. Oh, I need to stick it on that part. Boom, you're ready to go. Oh, I want to move it to the top. Take it off, and you've already got Velcro set up on the top. Boom, you've got it on the top of the drone. So, you know, excellent items. And if you are then cycling home, maybe you've got one on the back of your helmet. Boom. Now it can be seen from the back. So you could be keeping yourself safe even when you're leaving the area where you're flying your drone. So all in all, a great item. And of course, it comes all packed up in this lovely little case.